Hello, this is my 1 year anniversary video, just celebrating the fact that I've done YouTube properly, if you can call that, for a year now. Well, October 14th, it's close enough. Now with this channel, if you've been watching for a while, you know that I don't just upload history videos. Each video I do something to try and help out in Buxton, like cleaning up rubbish, etc. So this is the total that I've done in 1 year. 63 wheelbarrows of rubbish, and of course we have another one for this video, so 64. And one wheelbarrow is roughly 1.5 bin bags, so that's 96 bin bags I've cleaned up. On top of that, within the year I've cleaned up the lake 6 times, donated blood 3 times, and also planted hedgerows in the valley. Now, I do want to say a big thank you to everyone who's watched, commented, liked, shared, and these people on screen now who have donated via supers. Also a thank you to my family and friends who have assisted me out with my equipment and scripting, as well as that one bloke who gave me the large litter picker I use so often. Well, that's it from me. Hope you enjoy your week, whatever you get up to, and until next time, ta-ra.